Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss with you how to interchange no sooner and as soon as. We have seen in the question paper that number of times we are asked to change no sooner into as soon as or as soon as into no sooner. See the example here. As soon as Ram comes in the class, comma, he sits down to complete his work. Before changing as soon as into no sooner, we need to see the verb. First thing is that in the first clause, this one clause, just see where is the verb. Okay, first thing, underline the verb. Here it is comes. It means first form plus s. Okay, as the subject is singular. What we are going to do now here, when we start into change into no sooner, first come your helping verb. Okay, as it is in the first form plus s, it is a present tense, so we have to use here does. No sooner does means after no sooner use helping verb, then come subject. So here no sooner does Ram come in the class, in place of comma use here than he sits down to complete his work. Are you clear? Again I'm telling to you, first thing is that pick the verb, see which tense is used here, then better after no sooner place the helping verb. Okay, so as the previous sentence is in a present tense, simple present, so what we are going, and the subject is singular, so what we are going to do now, no sooner helping verb and then come the subject. No sooner does Ram come in the class, in place of comma we have to use here than, and the rest of the sentence will be the same only. He sits down to complete his work. One more example here. As soon as Ram came in the class, he sat down to complete his work. Now past, simple past tense. Again here we have to underline verb. The verb is in simple past tense, second form of the verb. So what we are going to do here, no sooner did, helping verb did, according to the tense. He come in the class, again in place of comma use than, the rest will be same. He sat down to complete his work. Are you clear, children? If the sentence is in past tense, the next will be also in past. While changing one structure into another structure, the meaning should not be changed. The tense should not be changed. Clear? Third, but one example here. As soon as Ram had come in the class, comma, he sat down to complete his work. Now, but which form of the verb is used here? Had plus come is had plus third form. Now again here, no sooner had Ram come. After no sooner helping verb, then come your subject. No sooner had Ram come in the class than he sat down to complete his work. Are you clear? When we use as soon as, we use comma here. When we use no sooner, we have to use than. Otherwise, the sentence will be wrong. Now see the fourth example. As soon as they come, they start shouting. Again, this is in present tense, but here the subject is plural. Okay, so what to use here? No sooner do they come, because the subject is plural, so do will come here. No sooner and helping verb do they come, then they start shouting. Are you clear, beta? Next one example. Now we have to change no sooner into as soon as. It can be asked in any way, in these two ways only. No sooner did he open his shop than all his goods were sold out. Now again, after no sooner, underline the verb. Did is a past form, second form of the verb. Now what will you do? As soon as, no helping verb here, he opened. Here was opened, but it means the second form of the verb. The tense will be same only. As soon as he opened his shop, in place of than will be a comma here. Clear, comma, all his goods were sold out. Are you clear? Sixth one, no sooner do they finish their work than they go out for playing. Again, as soon as they finish, we have to, when we change no sooner into as soon as, we have to omit all your helping verbs and start with the subject only. As soon as they means subject, first form finish their work, they go out for playing. Now, but our last example, no sooner had he seen his father than he started to cry. Okay, which form of the verb is used here? Past perfect. Okay, now when we change this into as soon as, first will be the subject only, not the verb. So, as soon as he had seen his father, comma, he started to cry. Are you clear? You have to note down all the examples in your fair copy to memorize the structures.